Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have here the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo to try out. And the excitement has not worn off on me when it comes to getting Natasha Denona products in Boxycharm. So I got this in my April 2022 Boxycharm premium box, and this has a retail value of $42. I have just always wanted to try out Natasha Denona products ever since I started getting into makeup, but it's such a pricey brand, so I am so excited to get to try out products for such a great deal in Boxycharm. And so I have not tried out the cream blush formula or the highlighter, and that's what's in this duo here. It looks so beautiful, the packaging. And some big pan sizes here with the mirror. So first let's do some swatches. Ooh, a nice cream formula, but not looking super pigmented. It actually kind of seems like it could be like a lip gloss. Okay, like that really doesn't show up much at all. And I have naturally so much pink color in my cheeks. I do have foundation on that I'm gonna apply this cream blush on top of, and hopefully the cream blush doesn't lift the foundation, but this is like not even enough pigment to even out the redness in my cheeks, I'm thinking. But let's also go ahead and swatch the highlighter. More like a powder formula, but not super buttery, not super pigmented of a highlighter either, but looks like it could give some glow. Well, when it comes to cream blush, I do like to just apply it with my finger. Same thing with highlighter. Powder highlighters, I just apply it with my finger. So usually I would apply blush first, but I kind of want to go ahead and just apply the highlighter with my finger here, picking it up like that, onto the high point of my cheek. This is literally how I apply my highlighter every day. I just blend it with my finger. And like, that is literally not even showing up without it. With it, let's see if I can build it up. Okay, I was expecting much more from these. I was expecting more pigment, more glow. Like, this looks so powdery, so textured on the skin, and it's not giving any reflective glow. What in the world? I'm shocked right now. Sometimes it makes a difference though with a highlighter if I use a brush or not. So I am gonna go ahead and pick up my fan brush here. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna pick up the highlighter with the fan brush on the other cheek, dust it onto the high point. Let's see. I do think it shows up a little bit more with the fan brush, which is kind of surprising, but that happens sometimes with highlighters, and I don't really know why. But even still, like, I'm applying so much, and it's still looking very obviously powdery, not super reflective. I am very bummed by that. Like, this is a highlighter that I would declare not good, no matter what price range I'm trying it at. That is just very lackluster. Let's go ahead and see how the blush is. So I'm just gonna pick it up on my finger and then tap it onto the cheek. Oh my goodness, it does not blend easily. As soon as you stick it down, it like is stuck there. And it does seem to be like removing and dissolving my foundation underneath. Like, the redness that you're seeing left behind is really just from the redness in my cheeks, not the blush. it looks like a smooth texture, but yeah, it's very hard to blend, and it's doing exactly what I was afraid it would do of removing the foundation. Like, this cheek is looking a mess. The highlighter is pretty much all gone now too from the blush. Removing it. The redness peeking through from my foundation. No glow whatsoever to the skin. This is looking bad. For the fun of it, I'll go ahead and I'll try the cream blush out with a stippling kabuki brush here. That is not helping at all. Picking up a little more. No. Because it's not even giving blush. It just removes any product. If you are not wearing foundation, maybe you could get away with using this blush as like a light tint, but I couldn't get away with that because of all the redness in my cheeks already. Like, I'll do another swatch on my hand here to show the shade of the blush. You can see how it blends. Like, I have like these little like follicles, I guess, on my hand, and it is sticking and gathering in the follicles the way it would in the pores. So it's giving texture. This is just very shocking to me that this product is so bad. Like, the formulas on both of these is not good. If you've been able to find any techniques on how to use this, let us know in the comments down below. But this is just a real bummer, in my opinion. Like, this looked so beautiful, the packaging, I was so excited for it, but I cannot use this product. Such a letdown when it's a product that I'm so excited to try as well, and I was really looking forward to trying out, but I just am hating how my cheeks look. I'm not having that glow that I try and get. The redness on my cheeks looks so inflamed. Just nothing that I was hoping to achieve with this. But thank you so much for watching my video today anyways. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.